Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Dinh Duy Cuong. In today's video, I'm going to address a specific problem that one of my students is currently facing. He is having an issue where he tries to extract details from the design but keeps getting an error message whining. Here, as you can see, when he tries to extract the lines like this, he gets an error and can't proceed. So if any of you happen to encounter this situation, it could be because the lines are not fully closed, or secondly, it might be because we've checked the click and go option right here. We need to uncheck this box, apply the changes, save your work, and then click OK. Now let's try the process of extracting again. Extract this first line and then move on to the next line. Alright, first select this line, then this line, and then this line, and this line as well. Once you get to this point, you will need to confirm your selection by clicking the OK button. Next, to extract the internal lines, you just need to select these internal lines. Then confirm the process by clicking OK. That way we have successfully extracted this detail. And if you've watched up to this point and found my video helpful, please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. Goodbye everyone, and see you in the next sharing videos.